Many thanks for your company again. Quickly show you through the colours before I start. We've got ultramarine, cad yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber, light red. Got me large Ron Ran snake brush and 15 by 11 watercolour paper. So I'm going to kick this off with a big height brush, clear water all the way over. This is just going to stop the paper from going all crinkly and also stopping off some of those background colours. Background colours of which I'm going to start with a bit of light red, cad yellow, a bit of raw sienna in there as well, a bit more light red. Let's brush that in from that side, a bit more yellow. Let's clean the brush, go into some blue, ultramarine, brush that in from the other side, a bit more blue. I'm just going to keep reloading the brush as necessary and just brush that in. I'm just watching all the paint come down the paper, just soaking it up as necessary. Let's just get that over there like that. The blue over there. I might just stop the horizon line somewhere around there. Get a little bit on this side as well. I'm just experimenting with this a little bit now. Just dab, 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 see what sort of effects I can get. More blue. Fill that in. Right. What I might do, I might just give that a quick dry. Not bone dry, just enough to stop all the paint from coming down the paper. Stretch a little bit, so I'm just going to pull it tight so it's flat against these, and I'm just going to ignore that for the time being. And I think what I'm going to do now is just look. There's some little trees there. And what I'm going to do is pop some branches in. Just take that off the paper there. Pop the trunks down the bottom just like that. Just about to see some distant around there amongst all the haze, and then just up here. So I've left that white bit there. I can't think what I'm going to use it for. Don't know, I'm just going to paint over it. Let's just paint over it. And you see that nice dark contrast nicely against the light colours there. Again, the yellow. Bit of blue. Let's just pop some trunks in there. Loads of trees there, just popping all the trunks in and then just paint over bits that I don't like. Got a few more trees over here. And then just disappearing down there. Again. Lots of trunks down there. So there's all our trees. Let's get something in front of there. Bit of red, bit of yellow, bit of blue. I'm coming to something like that. Bit of red and a bit more blue. I'm just going to pop in I'm having a path around there like that, something like so. Clean the brush. I think what I need a little building somewhere. I might use I haven't used this brush for ages. Flat brush there. And I want this quite dark because I want it silhouetting against that light sky. So I'm just going to mix all the dark stuff I got on the palette. I think I'm going to have like let's pop a little. Put some in there, a bit more water. Put that side on it. And then coming down there like that. The roof on. Little chimney. Yeah, I'm just going to see what it looks like if I does that look like anything? I don't know if I've made that. I've made that worse. I've made it worse, so I'm just going to paint over that. And I'll come back to that in a bit if I'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Just a touch of blue. Let's bring that down there from there. Just lighten out a little bit. That up to the pack. Just trying to blend that in a little bit. Lighten that a little bit like that. Bring that in. Something like that. I'll just pause it for a sec then, just have a look. And what I've noticed is some of these, they're just too light. See how dark that is? Contrasts nicely against that bright sky, but the trees need darkening. So I'm just going to pull it tight against the board. Now I'm going to mix some of that tree colour again. Not much water, so I'm taking a lot of the excess water off in the jar. Some more on the tea towel. So I've just got a nice clean damp brush. Let's mix a lot of that tree colour, which is lots of ultramarine, a bit of cad yellow in there. Quite a really dark green, and let's just pop that on a little bit darker. More blue. See how it looks? Darken this a little bit. Just a little bit of Payne's grey there as well, just to really darken it. Just make that one a little bit bigger. I hate it when they're all the same height. Just try and vary it a bit. Just really darken some of these a bit. So what I'm going to do next is pop our little name. I'm switching to a little brush. I'm just going to go into some red. And I'm just checking if this is actually, I just need to make sure that's dry first before I do any more. Then I'm going to take my little brush with the red in. It needs to be, just making sure I've got the scale right. So there's his body. I'm just going into that blue then. Man, and then just behind him is the little dog. It's a bit dry. Just a tad more water, loosen the paint. I've gone into the dark path there, so it's hard to see. Now the light's coming from over there, so I'm just going to put a couple of shadows across there. And then for the rest of them, take my height brush and take a bit of blue, a bit of yellow, a bit of red. Mix up a shadowy colour. Right, now they're coming. So we've got the house there. Two shadows off the house. Two shadows off these trees. Just darken some of those tree trunks. And a few shadows coming off there, across there. I think we're just a little bird over the house. I think that's done. So finally, just put my name in the corner. I'm going to call that one finished. So I'm going to stick a mount on that now and see what it looks like. So here's the painting in the main, so if we go and have a closer look at it. Started off with the sky, sort of light red, cad yellow, so this nice orangey glow, and then a bit of ultramarine on the other side, opposite side of the sky there. Orangey glow comes down. Maybe could have put a bit of that orange colour in the snow here. I did mean to bring that down a little bit low, I'm not quite sure why I stopped there. Then we got what is meant to be sort of distant hills, but that's sort of lost amongst the sky somewhere. And you just about see them through these tree trunks. The trees put in quite dark, so I wanted them to silhouette against this light of the sky. And then instead of constantly, what I always do, just whack all the trees in and then just use a fingernail to scrape the trunks. This time I've just put the tops of the trees in and then just use the height brush to put all the little trunks below. Try to vary the greens, predominantly ultramarine where you can see sort of the blue side, and then cad yellow where it's got a bit more green. Just gives a little bit of variation as we move all the way along. Shadows underneath, I've kept them quite a narrow band there to keep the shadows in. Instead, I was going to do what I normally do, just whack some shadows across the foreground, but I actually forgot. But I think it might actually look better having forgotten to do it. I had to really darken these. I added a bit of Payne's grey just to really silhouette it against that light of the sky. Put the building in very simply, just using the flat brush, remember, just a simple building shape. Little bird there flying over the top. And again, some little shadows there underneath, across the land. Quick sweep of the height, just to put it in our snaky winding path, leading up to our little man and his dog there, little shadows cast off those as well as they're heading over the brow of the hill. And then I've left most of this blank just for white snow, just very, very weak ultramarine wash there, and some of the paint that's come off the path as well mixed in amongst it, same on the other side. Well, I hope you enjoy that. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can catch me over on Patreon as well if you want to watch more videos. But until next time, keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.